I'm Ashley, and I'm an undergraduate in marine biology at the University of Washington.
Hi, I'm Zoe. I'm a PhD student in quantitative ecology and resource management, and I'm in the branch lab in SAFS.
So this is actually my second year joining the IBIS program. I wanted to reapply because my first experience was really great, and I wanted to get more into research and see what that looks like.
I joined IBIS mostly because I had an incredible mentor when I was an undergrad, and I really wanted to learn how to become an incredible mentor for other undergrads, so this has been a really cool experience for that.
I've had the awesome opportunity to work with Zoe and network throughout the department, as well as gain insight into grad school, as well as gain insight into what research looks like in quantitative ecology, and learn how to use R, so it's been a really awesome experience.
One of the big highlights for me has been just really thinking about other ways to communicate my science, and Ashley has asked me some incredible questions that I never would have thought of and have really changed how I think about the research that I'm doing.
This opportunity has been really awesome because I came in as a transfer student, and so I got to meet a lot of new people working in the lab. Zoe has been a great mentor, and they have provided me with all sorts of different resources, not just in research, but also grad school, how to find grad schools, what kind of programs are out there, and then also looking into job opportunities as well as what my research can be used for.
This is my first time being a mentor for an undergrad, and yeah, I think it's been a really valuable experience, just working one-on-one with Ashley, but also IBIS provided us with a lot of training and support, and that was really useful going into this for my first time. I felt like I had a good sense of how this was going to work and some good strategies to try to use. But yeah, I have loved working with Ashley. I look forward to our meetings every week, and yeah, we always have a great time, and yeah. So Ashley and I are working on a project using historical whaling data where we're estimating the growth rates of Antarctic blue whale fetuses and calves. And yeah, we basically are fitting a model to estimate how length changes from fetus to calf over time.
Yeah, this experience has given me practical use of R as well as applying models, and has given me a greater detail into what I do in my classes, such as applying my statistics class into this project and research. The experience has been awesome, and I would definitely recommend anyone who's interested in getting into research, as well as just getting involved with what's going on learn. It's a great opportunity. You learn so many more skills than just what your research project's on. You also learn how to present, and you can learn how science is done outside of the classroom.
Yeah, and I think from a mentor's perspective too, I highly recommend it to any other graduate students. I think even just the training part itself, there's not really any other place at this university where you can get that kind of really mentorship focused training, and that's a really valuable skill for future careers and academia and all of that. And yeah, I think, as I mentioned before, I really feel like I see my research in a different way now that Ashley and I get to talk about it.